Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, T-shirt. My dear students, hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Today, we are going to have a class with the students of class 1. Our today's subject is English language. Today, we will do lesson 16, exercise 3-4 CW. This is our annual term 2021. Our today's lecture number is 12 and SW number is 9. Here is my phone number. My dear students, after discussing the lesson, you will submit SW on Saturday, that is lesson 16, exercise number 3. You will write only answers. Okay, now come to our book. We are in lesson 16. Everyone take your book and open at page 50 and 51. We are in lesson 16. The topic of this lesson is questions. And our honorable teacher already has discussed with you what is questions, how we will do the questions. And you know that we can identify the questions, that usually we use the questions with WH word, and at the end of the question there we must put a question mark. Now I will start exercise 3. See, here it is said, complete these questions with the question words in the box. Here are given so many question words. We have to identify which question word is suitable for which question or which sentence. Now see which words are given here. Who, which, what, where, when, why, how. I am repeating. Who, which, what, where, when, why, how. Now we will start. First I am reading the sentence with blanks. That means the questions with blanks, so we can understand that what is wanted in these blanks. Okay. Number 1 is done for you. That is given. The dash is the school leader. The answer is, who is the school leader? Number 2 is said, dash is the teacher so angry. Dash is the teacher so angry. Then number 3 is given, blank of these 3 girls is your sister. 4, dash many pencils do you have? Dash many pencils do you have? Number 5, does she live? 6, do you have in your bag? Number 7, does your father work? Number 8, is your book? Now we will think the answer. First see number 2. Number 2 is written, dash is the teacher so angry. First think of the answer. What could be the answer? Maybe the teacher is angry because the students were talking a lot. So we can make the question like this way. Why? Why is the teacher so angry? So write everyone, why? W-H-Y. Why is the teacher so angry? We must put the first letter capital. Okay? Now come number 3. Here it is saying, dash of these 3 girls is your sister. That means there are 3 girls. Now it is asking that among these 3 girls, who can be your sister? So what will the question here? Yes, which? This one, which? Okay, which of these? Which of these 3 girls is your sister? Now see number 4. Dash many pencils do you have? That means you may have 3 pencils or 4 pencils. So here the person is asking you about how many pencils do you have. Yes, you have found the answer. That is how. How many pencils? How many pencils do you have? Then number 5. Dash does she live? Usually we want to know about the place. So whenever we want to know about the place, we have to make question with where. So the answer will be where. W-H-E-R-E. Where does she live? Then number 6. Dash do you have in your bag? That means you may have in your bag a water bottle or some copies or some books or a geometry box like this or color pencils. So here it is asking to you that what do you have in your bag? Here we have to write what? W-H-A-T. What do you have in your bag? Number 7. Dash does your father work? Here it is wanting to know from you that it may be the time or place. So as we have already used where, that's why we are not using here why. It may be the time, so we can use when. When does, W-H-E-N, when does your father work? Then dash is your book. So here we have to answer. We have used who, which in number 1. So 1 we have to use here double. Now there may be a lot of book, so we have to identify which one is your book. Yes, the answer is which. Which is your book? We can also write where is your book. We can also want to know about your place, so we can also write where. Okay, that is also correct. Okay, so now see the answers again. Number 1, who is the school leader? Number 2, why is the teacher so angry? Number 3, which of these 3 girls is your sister? Number 4, how many pencils do you have? 5, where does she live? Number 6, what do you have in your bag? Number 7, when does your father work? Number 8, where is your book? Okay, now this is your SW. Exercise number 3, you will do the SW. Now come to exercise number 4. Now answer these questions. You have to answer these questions. My dear students, first see the answer. Number 1, what is your name? 2, how old are you? 3, where do you live? 4, when do you wake up in the morning? Number 5, who is your friend? Number 6, which is your favorite color? Number 7, how do you come to school? See here, all these questions are about you. That means it will be better if you answer these questions with yourself. Okay, I'm helping you. Don't be worried. Number 1, what is your name? You will write, my name is, here I am writing my name. Okay, my name is Rahela. You will write your name. You must write about yourself. Then how old are you? I am writing here your age. You can write I am. You can write 6 or 7 years old. Okay. Now number 3, where do you live? You can write any places. You can write like I live in Dhaka, or I live in Banusri Dhaka, I live in Rampura, I live in Barda, like this, anywhere. Where you live, you will write the actual place. So I am writing here, I live in Dhaka. I am writing the district's name here. You can write the Thana or the village name also. Okay. Now number 4, when do you wake up in the morning? Yes, we wake up in the morning usually at the very morning. That is, I wake up. We will write like this way. I wake up at 6 o'clock. In the morning. Now number 5, who is your friend? You can write here anyone's name. Like you can write Tamim or Rohim or Aisha, like anyone's name. I am writing here, Aisha is my friend. Now, number 6. Which is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? I don't know. You have to write, okay? I'm writing here any color. You can write any one which you like. I like green or red. So I can write that green is my favorite color. Be careful writing the spelling favorite. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. Favorite color. C-O-L-O-U-R. Color. Now see number 7. How do you come to school? You may come to school by bus or by rickshaw. Okay, so you can write like this way, that I come to school by rickshaw. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. Rickshaw. Okay, this is all for today. My dear students, you can change the answers in exercise number 4 according to your wish, because this is about yourself. Okay, my dear students, this is all for today. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.